In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and easy Shopify SEO tip that is going to help you get found in Google. Now, not on the regular Google search, but within the Google image search. But technically, it will help you in the regular Google search as well, because what I'm about to show you is an indicator for Google about what your page is about. This is also very important for accessibility, because accessibility is something that you need to be aware of for your website for people that have vision issues. And this is a large percentage of your visitors in the United States. Now, first things first, if you are in your Shopify store and go over to Files, you're going to see all your different images. Now, I was building out some product pages today for Private Label's new custom glueless wigs. Make sure you check those out. I'll have a link to that in the description. But while I was building that out, I was adding some additional images. Now, first thing you can see is all the images here are all JPGs, and they're pretty well optimized, which is really important. Next thing is, you'll see I actually named the image as to what the image is. Okay, so that's step one. Now, step two is you can actually click on the image, and then you can see here, when I upload the image, it doesn't give me the opportunity easily to add alt text. So here, I'm going to add alt text. So this is the glueless band for wig. Just that simple. Hit save. See how I'm doing this? So pre-cut HD lace. This is something that you can easily do if you have a virtual assistant. This is something you can have them do. Professional bleached knots for a wig. You can add a little extra there. Okay, so you can continue to go through and add the alt text to your images, and I'm telling you, it is going to make a big difference in your search appearance. It's also a great way to check and make sure that your staff is uploading different images and making sure that they're optimized. This is a quick and easy way to do so. So don't sleep on the file section of your Shopify store, because this is going to give you the SEO little boost that a lot of people honestly are not doing. So if you do it, you're going to start seeing improvements within your search and definitely within the Google image search. So if you like this video, please make sure that you give me a little thumbs up. Maybe leave a comment if you didn't know about this and then you went ahead and added your alt text, because I want to hear. We'll be back soon with another video.